Hey, snow friends, this is Shuff Ski Show, Ski Boot Special, Episode 2, The Blue Square. You watched the Green Circle video, and now you have yourself a set of killer ski boots that fit properly. Let's look at some boot tips and some optional upgrades to make your skiing experience better. If you want to ski well, you gotta buckle your boots. Start with a third buckle to position your foot firmly in the heel pocket of the ski boot. That third buckle will be your best friend. Don't hesitate to crank this sucker down, especially after your first or second run when your foot warms up. The first and second buckles, I like to just barely close. And the fourth buckle, I like to close it firmly so it fits the shape of my calf. Some folks get a boot bag. They're nice to have. I can fit gloves, goggles, socks, pants, jackets, mid-layer in here. I take my helmet, clip it to the outside, and you have a perfect calling into work sick bag. I like cat tracks. These things secure firmly to the bottom of your ski boots. These are great for added traction in snow and ice on your walk from the parking lot up to the hill, and they also protect your heel and your toe, which is critical for securing you in your binding. They're also nice for trudging back to the car after your legs are jello from your ski day. These are a good investment, and they only run you about 15 bucks. Upgrade your boot setup with these simple products and make that third buckle your new best friend. Be sure to check out my other ski boot videos and, of course, my ski resort review videos. This is Shuff Ski Show, and I will see you on the slopes.